They say there was a time when every human voice on earth spoke as one, not in harmony, but in certainty. In a wide, sun scorched plain, humanity gathered with a single idea burning in their minds. Bricks were fired, mortar was mixed, hands blistered and bled, and stone by stone, a tower rose, higher than anything the world had ever seen. This will reach the heavens, they said. Nothing will be beyond us. At its base, children laughed in the dust. At its scaffolds, workers shouted commands that everyone understood. No confusion, no hesitation. Every word carried the same meaning. Every order landed clean and sharp. And with every level the tower climbed, so did human pride. The elders spoke of unity, not as humility, but as proof of dominance. If they could reach the sky, they believed, then the sky could no longer judge them. Gods would be witnesses, not masters. But above the clouds, something listened, not with anger at first, but with concern. Because unity without humility is not peace, it is momentum without direction. The turning point came without fire, without thunder. A single word. A foreman shouted for stone and received silence. Another worker answered, but his words sounded wrong. Familiar sounds twisted into nonsense. A command became an insult. A warning became laughter. Confusion spread faster than fear. Arguments erupted. Hands gestured wildly. Voices rose, then fractured. Brothers stared at each other like strangers. Friends backed away, unable to understand the sounds coming from mouths they once trusted. The tower stopped growing, and then it began to fall, not in stone, but in spirit. Groups drifted apart, drawn by the comfort of those who still sounded familiar. Camps formed, lines hardened. The plain that once echoed with one voice splintered into many. Humanity didn't just lose a language that day. It lost the illusion that reaching higher always means becoming greater. The tower was abandoned. The world was scattered. And from that fracture came every culture, every nation, every border shaped by words that could no longer cross. But here's the quiet truth. The division wasn't a punishment. It was a reminder that power without understanding leads upward until it tears itself apart. If this story moved you, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps these ancient stories continue to be heard.